Hi everyone, Amber Canoy here on Everyday Kentucky. Mandi Snell is with us once again of Solutions Functional Medicine, and this time we are learning about the GAINSWave therapy. And I feel like I should preface everybody, this might be a topic that most people don't want to talk about. They hate to admit that they might have a problem in this area.
Amber, I'm so glad you said that. It's okay to talk about pelvic floor health. At Solutions, we are delighted that we're the only medical office in Kentucky that has this most amazing advanced device. But this machine houses what we call the GAINSWave protocol. This is an acoustic wave stimulation that actually treats cellular health, stimulating the cells to speak to themselves and generate healing. We use a lot of science words at Solutions, and one of them is angiogenesis, meaning blood vessel creation. If you can increase blood flow by increasing new blood vessel, then you're going to generate nutrition and oxygenation to the tissue, and that is very important in pelvic health. And this means something for men and women in sexual performance pleasure, but it also means a lot to pelvic health in the form of women who are struggling what we know with this genitourinary syndrome of menopause, poor bladder control, urinary urgency. So these machines they have no downtime whatsoever. They create, again, we mentioned increased blood flow, but they also help with sensitivity to the pelvic floor and tissue function. It's like physical therapy for performance as well as, in the long run, pleasure as well.
Yeah, so many women suffer from, I know we said this has implications for both, but so many women after having children have a lot of pelvic floor issues, and if it's not remedied, can lead to surgeries down the road.
That's exactly right. This is not just something that is recreational. This is for health, long-term and short-term. And unlike some medications that may offer some short-term fixes, GAINSWave therapy supports long-term cellular repair, just like the cells were meant to do on their own. But then sometimes the cells, with aging, genetic changes, and chronic disease, can cause the cells not to signal to repair themselves, and these kinds of sound wave devices have the capacity to actually reverse aging, and that's a very exciting thing.
Absolutely. How is this a little different than maybe some of the traditional means that you hear about when you have pelvic floor issues that people are kind of pushed towards?
So there's pelvic floor physical therapy, and we are big proponents of that. There's also medications that are often used, for instance, bladder spasm associated with poor estrogen saturation. There are also medications that help with helping men to maintain an erection. These help to cause dilation and blood flow, but what the GAINSWave device using the OmniWave machine can do is actually cause men and women to actually generate new blood vessels and therefore new blood flow.
All right, well, of course we could continue talking about this, but we're running out of time. If people have questions, if they want, to maybe have a consultation.
Yes, we'll be happy to talk to you about this. Of course, you can look at our website for more information at solutionsfunctionalmedicine.com, as well as reaching out to us at our phone number you can find there.